I want to make something. So I'm gonna do that. I'm starting out fresh with basically nothing except for this. This is a givens tab, which I've given myself to make small notes of things that I need to do before I start trying to make this. First things first, I want it to be a puzzle game. Maybe. It's optional. I'm giving myself a limit on add-ons because this is Obsidian. I can download add-ons to Obsidian, but I should probably not. I got those two things out of the way. Be funny if you want, like your mother. But please stay serious. Oh, your mother's nice. I wouldn't know. This game is original. I want this game to be original. Tons of notes what I'm doing. Always categorize what I'm doing. For recipe. Have to make new fresh sprites. Store sprites in this folder, which is just this make a game folder. This isn't my idea, by the way. Andrew, you're cool. You don't do anything you don't know how to do. So I'm not gonna make music because I don't know how to play an instrument, but I do have an automaton. I could use that. You do not need music. Okay. Don't try and make music for it. Fine, I gave myself a promise. I will not make music. I'm using this PNG as a template for notes and whatnot. Make a game. So template notes. I may redo an old idea, just make it good. I have some ideas in mind. Gameplay, lore, graphics, try to do just one at a time. One at a time, one per episode. Seems easy. Right now I think this video episode, whatever it's called, is just gonna be setting it up for future use. Got that thing, which I want to store in there. Do at least once a day for an hour, 12 to 1. I haven't started a timer one. Stopwatch, good enough. I'll check on that periodically. Archive the videos here. Okay. List of archive videos. No, I don't need that. Port game language to other games or other languages. I could try to do that. I have a Tokipona book by my side, so I could try to do that. Set up things such that you can delete this TXT by the end of the first video. Yep. Record so you won't be tempted to watch any videos. So classical music, of course. This link is for Isapridi. And we'll just have to use that at the bottom. Given. Now I want to set it in such a way that I can delete this TXT at least once a day for an hour. Fucking. Locked time. So let's just say like, I don't remember, 5 minutes. So like 10, 25 in, 12, 31, 20, 25, and 25 a.m. in. We'll deal with that later. Template note. What am I going to do with this? Nothing for now. It's just a picture. Display arrows, yes. Groups, filters, tags, attachments. Attachments, oh. No, I want to open cancel. How do I open this in a new thing? No, I don't want to do that. There we go. Good enough. I'll have that quiet for now. Something to do when you're bored, just stay silent, listen. This link's for ASAPReady, for which it's going to open with nothing. Weird. Nope. Can't. Alright. I mean, I already have a link. It's down here, so I don't need you. Could be a puzzle game. Gather that probably. And then let any add-ins. We should just like add-ons in here. Plugins. Audio recorder. Footnotes. No. Create presentation by using two separate slides. I do not want slides. Yes. No, I do not need that. What changes if I... Web viewer. Nah, I don't need that. Turn on community plugins. I only want one. One. And a theme. Other themes? Appearance. Themes. Manage. I love Obsidianite. I use that casually. But I should probably go with something different. I should stop looking at that. Canvas, backlinks, command palette. Canvas. Alright. Just remembered. I can insert or make canvas where I can add things like these. So if I really wanted to, I could just do it in this instead. Which I totally can. I totally could. I should. Make it more unique. Not unique, but like, what's the word? Entertaining you. Yeah, kind of. Make a game. That's the text. Archived video, list of archived videos. That's video archive. What's in the given again? Oh yeah. And so what am I trying to do now? Could edit it in there. Can I just go in? Open. Can I just open? I don't think I can do that. Might as well not do the entertaining view. Yet. Not gonna do it yet. I could, but not yet. Given. What's in the given? Be funny. That's a quest. Game is original. Yep. Tons of notes of what I'm doing. Should. I made like notes. Why does my keyboard keep turning off? Day 1. No. Diary. I should. Day 1, which is the December 31st, 2025. At around, yeah, only the day number counts. Setting up Why does my keyboard keep turning off? Setting up the... what's it called? Station to work with. Good enough. Gameplay. Puzzle. Lore. I mean, I already had a bit of lore already in mind from... where's my desk today? Oh yeah, basic. From last... not last, but like... last project. Yeah, last project. Graphics. Pixel art. Only thing I'm good at. Pixel art. Is this game gonna be code? Probably. Who am I reading from? No one. I'm not streaming. Not streaming. Could. But I don't know where it would go. Might as well not. 10 Ziggy page template. Yep. Alright, lore. We'll deal with that later. Alright. For an hour. How long have I been doing it? 13 minutes. Alright, I need to keep going for like 40 more minutes. Given. What's in here? Tons of notes. New sprites. Don't do anything you don't know how to do. Do not need music. Don't try to make music for it. I could try, but I won't. I promise myself. Use the PNG as a template for notes and whatnot. I mean, like digital, hand drawn. Maybe do an old idea. Just make it good. Gameplay, lore, graphics. Try to do just one at a time. One day at a time. Do at least once a day for an hour, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. And it's going to be a puzzle game. Given and good. Bye. That ended perfectly. No, it did not. That was not the end. Unless if it was, then I'm just making tons of mistakes. Make a game. First thing that I want to do. Already did. Second thing I want to do. Start working on thinking about what type of game should it be. Should it even have lore? Graphics, pixel art. Probably. Gameplay, puzzle. Why does it need to be puzzle? It might not need to. It might not need to be. I mean goals. I don't need that. I just put that in there for now. What is this? The 10 Ziggy? Alright, longer input. I mean, we're still setting it up for right now. I don't even know what some of these things do. What's a base? No. Add view. Cards. List. View. I don't know, well. Oh, is this just showing everything? Probably. I don't know if I want this base. I don't know if I want bases. Table. Does it have to be a table? Cards. Properties. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't need a base yet. What am I doing now? Still setting it up. What game is it gonna be? No, that's probably gonna be like gameplay or something. Is the community plugin not on? Nope. Turn it on. Nice. I don't know. I don't know. General. Let's just look through this for a second. Spell check. No. No. Auto pair brackets. Yes. Auto pair markdown syntax. Yes. Smart list. Yes. Yes. Indent visual width. I don't know. Right to left. No. Yes. No. Yes. Fold part of an indentation such as list. I don't know what that means. Files and links. Use wiki links. Yes. Show all file types. Yeah. Dark. Has to be dark. City of Night? Yes. I only have one theme. Check for updates. No updates. Alright. And font size, interface. Zoom? No. Hotkeys? Nope. Audio recorder? I already did that. Backlinks. They're gonna be back down there. Daily notes. File recovery. Note composer. Page preview. Require control to trigger page preview on hover. What? Quick switcher. Sync. Oh no, that's a streaming thing. And Ninja Cursor. Nope. Cool. So what am I doing? I am making ideas for what could be this game. So I'm probably going to either not make ideas or I'm going to make ideas for a new game. Make a game. Which game should I make? It could either be the game I've been working so hard to make or a new game. And I guess I guess it can just be the new one. New one. Name. Placeholder. We'll just call it placeholder for now. That's funny. No, it's not. That's not really funny. What have I been doing the past, I don't know how long. Man, these videos are gonna go slow. Placeholder. Genre. I mean, I know. Oh yeah, genre. We gotta write it down. Be a puzzle. Book. It's gonna be a puzzle book. Players 1 to just any. Sure, any. Age. Do we want this to be mature? No. Everyone. Why am I so warm in here? I took everything off of my desk because I thought they were going to be a distraction. Turns out I'm looking everywhere else in the room for a distraction. Looking at my cat, I'm reading random things. What am I doing? What am I doing right now? What am I doing? I am going to make... I'm going to just make ideas to put in this game. No, I already kind of made it. Meta details. Game details. Meta details. Table. Wish I could put tables in tables, okay? Browse. Table. Table. Calc, craft, table generator, table editor. Advanced tables. That's fun. Nah, I don't need that. What am I doing? Why am I being distracted with plugins? Gameplay. I keep trying to not do these things. And each time I try to do something else, I'm like, wait a minute, is that a gameplay? Because I want to write down notes of the game, but then I realize that's kind of gameplay. Puzzle. It's gonna be a puzzle. Graphics, pixel art. I don't want to make too much on the first bit of this thing. I don't even know why I have this Tanzigi page template in here. I don't think I'm going to be using it. Could open a basic array and see if I can make something. But then I realized that's also graphics. Open up tiled. This is basically what I want to make. A simpler version of this. Simpler. That's also what I want to make. Gotta make it from scratch though. Gotta make it all these from scratch. 9 by 9? No. 90 by 90. And we'll save as files on the projects. Make a game. Assets. Templates. Template. Grid. No, it's going to be a sprite sheet. And it's going to be a PNG. Save. And I'm going to edit to here. Sprite sheet. 10 pixels by 10 pixels. 3 by 3. Alright, who cares? Let's start fresh. With 3 colors. black, make a white, and that's going to be did it not update? Oh. Sprite sheet PNG. Alright. Sprite sheet PNG. Now we'll just delete that. And that replaced that. So what we're going to do is close it. We're going to open. Going to move in here into the assets, into the templates. Oh wait, no, we're not going to open that. Alright, we're going to open that. We're going to keep that there. It's going to be our little secret. And if you tell anyone there, I'm going to find you. There. Now, if I were to do something, not like that extreme, but if I were to do something, it would show up there. Oh, hang on. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet PNG. Oh, okay, there we go. Now is it real time? No, it is not real time. Is it real time if I do that? No, not even if I do that. So I guess it's just gonna what is it looking at? Why is it like that? It's not there. So why is it showing up as it if it was? So 10C page template, I don't know if I want that. But okay. Who cares if it's there or not? We're just making the template. Yeah, it's a template. It's barely even a sprite at this point. (32 by 32). And right 32. So I think we're going to have colors on the left side. The first color I'm going to have is going to be a red. Got to be darker. Bit brighter. Less bright. That's a good red. That's a good red. It's a mighty fine red. Pick color plus alpha. What? No. Who cares? Sample. All layers. I don't care. Anyways. The first thing I want to do. is a tile color template. So how big are the tiles going to be? Let's say this big. So when you put it on top of that, it looks like just the indent. Yeah. And then we're gonna put these elsewhere. Pear tree. So that's the grid. You might be like, that's not a grid. Okay, well, if you say so. It's not a grid. Let's make it a grid. Is that good? No, I don't like that. I did say new sprites. That's definitely new. Yeah, but it's so hard to see. So let's imagine we forgot the edges. So it's gonna look like this. Am I okay with this? Nope. I'm not okay with that. Please stop. I might need to redo this. I don't care about the other stuff. It's gonna look like this on the tiles. It's gonna look better. rotate by 90 degrees. Nice. View grid settings. Width 16 by 16. Yes. Oh. Nice. Looks good. Spreadsheet. Nice. Alright, that looks better, kinda, now. What? Alright, I need to get rid of these lobs. Save? What happens if I close and then open it again? Alright. Does it save my place? Nope. How far into the video are we? 48 minutes? Hold on. I can do it better. Guess I can't. Alright, game details. Pixel art graphics, longer input. Let's just put the spreadsheet there. We'll just put the spreadsheet there for now. Gameplay. I will deal with that later. Really between the two. Nice. Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown. Okay. I guess we'll just make the other colors too. Red, orange. Make them low and make them weird. We'll just place the colors and then we'll just deal with them. Now to deal with the colors. Green. What makes a good green? Gotta be a bit brighter. Bit brighter. That's a good green. So that's gonna be purple. And this is gonna be blue. Alright, that's a good blue. Bit brighter. Yeah, that's good enough. Good purple. Idea. Weird idea. This is the same as this. And this is the same as this. This is the same as this. And this is the same as this. You might be seeing where I'm going. Probably. Maybe. Nah, I don't need to do that. Now, I don't want to explain it. Oh. I don't want to explain it, but we need a smaller version of these sprites too. Look, gray, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purr, B, and bro. And we need a copy of all of these, except for the that one. We are the champions. I'll use this as a placeholder. And we can just do that. And there we go. Now, you might have noticed I used this, and I used the part which would have shown it as the place of the cutoff. So, once we put it on, it's going to cut it off. That's because it's not going to go that way. It's going to go the other way. For the things that's going to be on the tiles. And these are for those. And these are going to be for whatever other tiles we make. Height 28. weird size. What, 4 more colors? Red, green, and blue. I just want one more color. No, I don't like that. Well, I mean, I don't know what other color to add. Then we'll just leave that just in case. Might as well just pick something. Oh yeah, we need to change the pink. Ah, a bit brighter. A bit brighter. A bit brighter. Yep. That exists, that exists, that exists, exists, and exists. I'll probably say that the brightest color is orange, red, green, blue. Why even have those? You can have them for placeholders. Placeholder colors that can just go there whenever we're ready. Why do I feel sick? How long has it been yet? 89 minutes? Almost been an hour. Been an hour. Oh, I think that's really all I can afford to do. Not afford, but like mentally, you know? All I can mentally afford to do. Unless if I make just one sprite. and tested it out. So imagine, oh wait, hold on. Need color. So I want like purple tiled. This one with an orange circle on it. Yeah. That's cool. So, spent an hour doing things. I spent an hour doing things, tiled, haven't done anything in that yet. But it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. We're fine, we're cool, we're calm, collected, etc., etc., etc. I'm gonna be starting over on something. I'm gonna be abandoning something. I'm gonna be reworking it. I'm gonna be fixing it up. I'm gonna be cool again. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be amazing. Game details. That's right. Sheet. Might as well write what's in the sheet. Black or what? I'll leave that for next time. Wish I could like insert a table on a table. If you all know how to do that, hit me up. Alright. Well, I think that's gonna be it. See ya.